Morning. Today is Friday, October 31st. Happy Halloween. Let's see what's going on here. We have got, again, with the economic data, there's nothing to report right now. We've got, as long as the government is shut down, still not going to get anything. So we can get right into it. Let's get right into the ES, broader markets. You have, give me 1 second here. Yeah, we had yesterday, we had we had Amazon and Apple that actually saved the market because the market was, let's see what's going on here. Because we had, the market was falling a little bit yesterday, and then we had Apple and Amazon that reported after the market closed yesterday, so it kind of saved the market here. And so you can see what's happening with the market. It is holding up here. We did not quite close the gap on the ES. Go here. Give me 1 second. You had a pullback yesterday afternoon, and I had this level down here at 68.41. We didn't quite get down there. So there's still a little room left on the gap to close here, but we are, after the close on yesterday, because of the Amazon and the Apple, it's pushing everything higher right now. So I would say right now, as long as we're above the 69.0353 level and the 68.9120 level, 69.12 level, we hold above that, then I think we could push higher. I'd like to see us maybe get up into this level here of the 69.49. Let's say 69.49.79 before it starts to get a little heavy. And if we could really push through that and hold above that, then I think 7,000 is going to be in our range. I'm not sure if there's going to be any catalyst today to really push us through that level, but you never know what can happen. Any kind of news and any kind of tweak can come out. Let's look at the NASDAQ. The NASDAQ here, we have got NASDAQ, same thing. We still have that gap up from Monday that's still wide open here, and we are hitting this regressional trend line here. So I would say that if we can break above this, I would say when the market opens up here, this 26,283 level here, if we could break above and hold that, I think we could push into this 26,402, 406 level. And then I think it may get a little heavy there. And then again, same thing like the ES, if we could push it and hold above that, then I think we could push in, push forward towards this 26,756. I'm not sure again if there's going to be enough data out there today to push to those levels, but we could be in a range bound little consolidation period today. So let's get right into Tesla and Tesla. So Tesla, we spoke of yesterday. We said that if we lose this level down here at, I think it was 449. I like this 449 initially. I said initially, if we pull back this 449.30 level, I like that. And we did. We pulled down to that level and we bounced off it nicely. I thought we were going to go higher. I did take a long at that level. And I thought that we were going to then push to new highs, and then we lost that level. And so then my bias after that was over. I thought that once we hit this 449.30 level and then we pushed higher, you saw the couple wicks that came in. This is a 15-minute chart, of course. And then these 2 wicks right here told me that that long was over right now. And then you had to start looking for the short. So then after that, I was saying that if we lost that level, then we would come down to this. I would like to see this down to this level here, which was the 439.93 level, which was the 20-day SMA. Came right down to it. You see how it supported that level right there. So right now, that 20-day SMA is a very good level right now. You could see how it wicked off of it, and it's holding that level nicely. I would say in order for us to continue to push higher today, though, we're going to have to get through this same level here, this 452.65 level. And then when we get through that level, then I think we could push higher. But I think right now we're back in between this little range right in here, between 441 and 450 level. And you can see right now we're rejecting this December 20th, 2024 high of 447.08. So I would say initially you have to regain this level here in order to push higher. And then I would say that if you're going to take a long, you could try to take another long here at the 20-day SMA and yesterday's close. If we lose that level, I would say your next level is going to be down here at that 435 level. And then, of course, if we lose this level down here at 433, we can pull back to 428.30. But I would like to see Tesla continue its upward motion right now. And then if we can regain this 452.65 level, I would like to see us push into yesterday's high and then hopefully regain that. And if we can regain that, then we could get back in off to the races here. So let's go over the 5-minute opening range trade from yesterday. Yesterday's trade was a good trade. I actually made money on both sides of the trade yesterday. So you can see right here, the opening trade right here. There was no trade. Literally, like the first. I mean, I did take a long at the beginning because I like that 449 level. So when it pulled back to the 449 level, I think it was in the first 5 minutes. I did take a long. It wasn't connected to the 5-minute opening range trade, and then I got out pretty much at the high up there. So that was a good trade there. And then later on in the day, once we broke this low of 449.01, you can see how the downside came in. So 449.01, and you can see it came all the way back down to pretty much 440. So you would have gotten $9 on that trade right there. You can see it's every day it sets up beautifully, and it's funny how you can look at it hindsight once the day is done, how it just sets up beautifully once it finds its direction. And I did say yesterday that on a Thursday, once Tesla finds its direction, the institutions take over and really push it. But it really wasn't that crazy of a day for Tesla, considering what's been happening over the last month and a half or so with the ranges that they've been having. So let's talk about the strike prices I'm going to be using for today. So it's expiration today. So it's you want to be pretty quick on the draw today as far as getting in and out of your trades. As we get closer to expiration, I tighten up my strike prices on the calls and the puts, and I pretty much try to go in the money on the trades. So right now, Tesla's trading at 446.18. So I'm gonna have my 445 calls up here. So what that's telling me is my 445 calls, that's in the money. That means as far as a premium price, it's going to move dollar for dollar with the equity price. So if Tesla's trading at 446 and it goes to 447, and this premium's at 305, this premium and the equity price moves up $1, this premium price is going to move up a whole dollar as well. And the same thing on the put side. So the put side, I have the put side just below the current price right now, 446. So that's going to open up a little cheaper right now. It closed at 775. But Tesla's going to open up $5 higher right now. So this premium price is going to open up much lower. It may open up in the $3 range. So that'll be a cheaper price right there. So that's not going to move dollar for dollar unless Tesla drops below 445. Then it will start moving dollar for dollar. So that's what I'm going to have on there for today. My bias on Tesla today, I'm going to be careful with Tesla today because we're still in this range. So getting back to, looking at it, I would say that I would not, if Tesla pushes up into this 452.65, I may take a short, have my stop just above it. And then on the other side, if it pulls down, back down to this previous day close and the 20-day SMA, I could take a long and put my stop below here. Or another trade could be if we really push high above this 452.65 and hold, I would take a long here and put my stop below this 450 level. Or same thing here, if we push below here, push below this yesterday's close and then come back up and test it, you could take a short and put your stop just above here, above the 441.46. But other than that, we're in this channel here right now, so it's almost right smack dab in the middle. It's almost like a no trade zone here. So it's Friday. You want to be careful. You don't want to ruin your weekend. Anyways, that is going to be it for this weekend. I am going to be in the Discord room from 8:15 only until 9 o'clock this morning. If you want to join me, if you click down below and hit the more button, you can click on the Discord link and everything is free. You can join. And if you're not a member, just join the Discord. It's a free channel. You'll get notifications every time I post a video and every time I'm going to be in the live chat room. And the live chat room is going to be, it's in the pre-market live room. Anyways, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and spread the word out there. And we want to get more subscribers. We're looking to build a community here. And if there's anything you want me to cover, another stock or something along this trade strategy, leave a comment below and I will cover it in my next video. Have a great